Hi guys, so a quick one on this car. We've gotten a lot done, but we're now doing the rear lights and we're having some issues here. So that's temporarily installed control panels in, control panel works. We wired up the wigwags on the back lights and everything started behaving really bizarrely. So first thing is we looked at the harness behind the lights, and this harness was absolutely chewed up, so we remade that. That didn't help, so we started unpicking everything and checking our wiring. That's fine. I've checked it against the Crown Vic wiring diagram, and it's right, we need to start actually tearing this down further and going into the actual harness. We're starting to find things like this. This is probably actually my problem. This isn't in the wiring diagram, but this essentially appears to tie our two backlights together, and there's a wire that's cut further down. So this is taking a long time to get sorted, a lot longer than I wanted, and it's more work that we didn't plan on. So I'm going to unpick this now and see what that does for us. And a quick look at the wiring box. Obviously that's not finished, and we need to tie that up and harness that yet, but at the moment while we're trying to make this work there's no point. Take care, bye.